pledge myself before my family, friends, and peers in the presence of this assembly to care for the sick with all the knowledge, skills, and understanding that I possess, without regard to race, color, creed, politics, or social status. I will respect at all times the dignity and beliefs of the patients under my care, holding in confidence all personal matters and information entrusted to me. I commit to refrain from any action which may endanger life or health, keeping in the practice of my calling. I will devote myself to the welfare of my patients, my family, and my community. I will zealously seek to nurse those that are ill, wherever they may be, and whenever they are in need. I will be active in assisting others in safeguarding and promoting the health and happiness of mankind, while upholding the integrity of my profession.
Here are the class of spring of 2012, North Seattle Community College Program of Nursing.